we're going to make an earthquake. Well, a small one. We're going to start with some books, and we need to put the rubber bands around the sides of the book. 2 books about the same size. 1 rubber band on the top and 1 on the bottom. Now we need some balls that are about the same size too. I just took some ping pong balls. Do you want to hand them to me? We'll put 1 close to where each rubber band crosses. So that means we need 4 of them. Now if you look, we can make earthquakes. Scientists use seismometers to measure earthquakes to see which direction they're going. That helps them be able to give us warnings when an earthquake is coming. So let's make a simple seismometer. Now we need to take these cups and we're going to tape them in a circle. Okay, all our cups are in a circle. Now we're going to take a little bit of clay or Play-Doh and stick a pencil in it and then push it right in the middle of all of our cups so it stands up straight. Now this is our little seismometer. We're going to put it on our surface where our earthquakes will happen. Now this ball, we're going to balance on the pencil. Okay, now the ball is balancing, but the ball is going to tell us where the earthquake is coming from. So if I push on this side, the ball comes this way. It says this is where the earthquake is coming from. Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you make an earthquake come from your side? That's where the earthquake came from. One more time. Okay, let's make the earthquake come from this corner this time. There it is. Our seismometer tells us where the earthquakes that we're making are coming from. There's a story in the Bible about an earthquake. Paul and Silas were in prison and were singing, and suddenly there was an earthquake. They didn't know that it was coming. There was no one measuring the earthquake with a seismometer to give them the warning. It must have been scary to be in the earthquake, don't you think? I would have been scared. But the Bible says the angel of the Lord encamps around them that fear him and delivers them. The angel of the Lord is with us. God is with us. We don't need to be afraid. And that is definitely something that I can sing about.